Hello YouTube and welcome back to another video. And don't worry, I'm not going mad. I know it's not Sunday and hopefully this video will get released on Saturday. I'm currently multitasking because I'm on my way to collect our turkey for our Christmas dinner, so I'm going to make this a quick one. It's just a quick video just to say thank you very much for supporting me this year. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching my videos. I've had two main goals this year because I've been concentrating on YouTube, and those two goals are, or have been, one to release a video every single week, which I've done this year, and if you look behind me you'll get a sneak preview of part of what's in my video that's being released tomorrow, and yes, it is Christmas themed. And then the weekend after, which will complete the releasing a video every week this year, will be a hopefully a special video, and it will also contain what my plans are for next year, so keep a lookout for those two. And my second goal was to hopefully get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and this week we've reached that milestone, so thank you very much for supporting my YouTube channel and for subscribing. It means a lot to me. 1,000 subscribers is significant to most YouTube creators because if you do have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, it means that you can monetize your YouTube channel. So what that means is currently I don't get anything for creating my content, but if your channel is monetized, then you do get some money back from the ads from YouTube, which you get anyway. I'm currently a little bit off my 4,000 watch hours. I think it's about 400 hours, or it was of last night. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please take a look at some of my older videos, and if you've been around for a long time, yeah, if you wouldn't mind watching some of my older videos, that will also help with that goal as well. It will come eventually, but maybe I'm getting a little bit impatient now possibly. But yeah, thank you very much for the support this year. Thank you for liking and subscribing my videos and for watching them, and I hope you have a great Christmas and a brilliant new year, and I will see you in the next one. Well, hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe if you haven't already. It makes a big difference to a small channel like mine. And don't forget, every stone chip tells a story, and I'll see you in the next one.
As you fade away.